Today, I want to help you become familiar with a tool that is a great assistance in measuring the distance from one point to the other. And that's important because just that the house is important, but it's where is that house located in relation to things like work, a friend's house, church, a grocery store, a park, gymnastics, swimming, and the list goes on and on. So as you get a list from me, and let's pick this one in Val Vista Lakes in Catamaran Court. Go up and find the map tab up here. Click on that and come down here, and here's the house. So it's there kind of embedded in the community, and we can drill down and see exactly where it is. But our first question is, how long is it going to take to get to the freeway? Once I get to the freeway, it's a little bit faster traveling. So how long is that going to take? Come down here to the measuring tool, left click, and it says measure when you hover over it. Left click, and all of a sudden you'll get a blue dot. So you anchor that wherever you want to start, left click again, and it's going to start to measure. And you can create segments, come down here, okay, left click, come over, get out to Val Vista Drive, left click again, a little curve here, and come up and it's measuring segments. At the same time, it gives me the total mileage, which is about 1.75 miles from the house to the freeway. Now we can clear that out and start over by clicking on the white glove. Let's zoom out a little bit. And assume we work in Phoenix. Okay, there we go. Let's assume we work right here at the I-10 and the 202. So again, we click on the measuring tool, anchor over, come over, come up to the freeway, left click again, creating our segments to highlight the route that we'll be taking. And then we can see the total mileage is 21.5 miles. So again, that's very, very good information and a good tool to help you when you're trying to find that perfect house and know the distance from one point to the other. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, this is Gordon Baker with RE/MAX. My number is 480-326-8571. Take care. Bye.